Give him the glory, great things he hath done.
Huwag kayong magsiayon sa sanglibutan ito, kundi mag-iba kayo sa pamamagitan ng pagbabago ng inyong pag-iisip. As you grow in your walk with God, you begin to see for yourself that His will is good, pleasing, perfect, and you learn to trust and follow it more and more every day.
May swimming pool, may naglalaro. Because there's a trampoline here.
Man's approval will always be subject to the world's system. And it is a system that goes against God. It is a system that goes against His truth. And it is a system that goes against the gospel.
Fruitful. Fellowship.
Inspirational. Masaya tsaka happy.
Blessed. Thankful.
Fruitful,
Convicting.
reviving,
Humble. Purifying.
Fulfilled. Grateful.
Very happy and spectacular.
Connected. Swimming!
Family Church Camp ay laging blessing sa akin at sa aming mag-asawa. Laging ito yung nilulook forward namin every year. Bakit? Kasi ito yung panahon kung saan nagsasama-sama ang lahat ng mga mananampalataya sa loob ng iglesia. Sometimes inter-church camp is really something that I look forward because I can see the sacredness. Ito yung small heaven para sa akin. Ito yung pamilya. Ito yung mga tao na makakasama ko sa heaven one of these days.
Gospel is not just a simple thing, but a treasure na ibinigay sa atin. Kayamanan yan, kaya dapat natin itong pahalagahan.